Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the official ration card portal or the state food department app. This is where linking happens. Enter your ration card number and the mobile number you want to verify, then request OTP. You do this now because the portal confirms identity before changes. Once done, wait for the OTP SMS. Make sure your phone can receive messages and that Aadhaar details match, since mismatches require additional steps. After receiving the OTP, type it promptly and accurately into the verification field. Incorrect entries lock attempts. Once verified, review the displayed ration card holder name, address, and Aadhaar number. This prevents future denial of benefits. If everything matches, select the link or confirm button to associate the mobile. Make sure to read any confirmation prompts. Some states also require a secondary approval from the head of household or local. Once the system confirms linking, save the confirmation ID or take a screenshot as proof. You will need it for queries. If you do not receive an OTP, check Signal, restart the phone, and request resend after a short wait. Many carriers delay SMS. If the portal rejects the link due to Aadhaar mismatch or duplicate mobile, visit the local ration office with original documents. This manual step resolves exceptions and completes the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.